Good morning. This is Farmer Coffey. I'm in Texas. We're on the homestead. Lots of sun. Life is good. Wanted to go over our cabin real quick, our guest cabin here on the property we're building. It's just a simple box, but anyways, we need a little bit more room. If you'll notice, I put it on post. Reason being was because of economics. It's a little bit cheaper that way. We can move it. I also think it's going to keep some of the vermin, the spiders and the scorpions out of the house, and it should help catch a breeze, be a little bit cooler. But the size, it is 16 foot by 36 feet. You know, nothing big, nothing fancy. There's going to be a large porch coming out here, 12 foot out, so we can enjoy the temperate weather when it's not too hot in Texas. Right now I've just got OSB on the outside of it. When I get time, I'm going to go back and put metal on it. I really like low maintenance buildings. So yeah, it's just going to be a simple place for us to stay. We've got the insulators coming in tomorrow. I just want to get a video, just show you where we're at, and you can see what it looks like before and after we spray foam it. All the rough carpentry is done. We've got the rough electrical, rough plumbing. It's when I did the design, I went through and I figured out what we could get the most floor space with the least amount of materials and ease of build. I did all this myself for the most part. So kind of slow, but it's paid for. And I don't have a mortgage. So anyways, you can see here, this is where the kitchen will be, over here. This right here is the living room. We've got a loft up there for storage. And then coming in here, well, you can see I put OSB on the interior walls. I just wanted the building a little bit more rigid. Hi, Genevieve. Smile, be nice.
Hello.
Yes. Be charming, be entertaining, be engaging.
Why?
Because that's how you make successful YouTube videos.
Haha.
Okay, here's the bathroom. It is, just going to be a shower, toilet, water heater will go here. Large stack, washer and dryer will go here. But then there will also be a loft up there that will be blocked off, so you have privacy in the bathroom, of course. Then coming here into the bedroom, nothing fancy. Closet, bedroom, loft. Yeah, just a simple little house. One of the things that I've wrestled with is almost all of my construction experience is in Alaska, most of the residential experience. So I tend to build things for Arctic and subarctic conditions. So I've had to change and rethink how I do things here. And overbuilt, you know, I tend to overbuild things, but I guess it's better to overbuild than underbuild. But yeah, this is it. I'll update you when after the insulators show up. Hey, we're in spraying. It looks really good. This is beautiful. Get this sealed up, keep the bugs out, keep the cold air in. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, they'll be done in a day. Much better than me going in and using fiberglass and sticking it in myself. Hey, they're done spray foaming. It looks really, really good. You can see the little bit of spray foam got out between the boards. That's okay. I'm going to be getting a lift to finish up the trim and painting this, so that's okay. They didn't have a ladder tall enough to get up there and trim that off, you know, which is fine. This is going to be dressed up with sheet metal. As soon as I get everything else done, I'll put sheet metal over the OSB. And so it's really not going to matter, but it looks nice. Out here, it looks a little bit funny, but realize that there's going to be a large porch out here to come out and sit and enjoy the evenings, like this evening. Let's go take a look at everything. Let's look underneath. Well, you can tell they didn't get a lot of spray foam on the ground, which is good. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to be putting sand down here, geocloth, and some nice clean rock so we have dry storage. I've got 2x8 floor joists, and they really filled them up. Well, I'd say there's a good 5 inches in there for sure. It's this is going to do a lot to keep the bugs out, and it's going to keep the cold air in. Very nice. I like it. Let's go up and look at the rest of the building. Yeah, as I said before, there's going to be a porch here, and 12 foot wide. So this is just temporary here, just to get the building in the dry, get it insulated. Oh, very nice. This completely changes the feel of how the building is. You can look at the ceiling there. I've got 2x6s for rafters. That's a good 5 inches of foam. Easy, good 5 inches of foam. And you can see the walls here, 2x6 studs, 16-inch centers. Yeah, it's good 4, if not 5 inches. That's great. That's everything looks really nice. You can see the floor. They did a really nice job cleaning the floor. This floor is very, very clean. And coming over here, looking at the bathroom. It looks really nice. Bedroom, sweet. Very sweet. Everything's cleaned up. Everything's very professional. Very nice. I strongly, strongly recommend Smith Insulation. Thank you, Tony Smith, the owner. He just lives right down the road. He is a neighbor of mine here. And yeah, I really appreciate it. This is great. Thank you. Please subscribe. Take care.